Do you think Filipinas are truthful when they say they are approachable to foreigners? There are really some foreigners that they really wanna, meet someone, like let's say to have a relationship with. So how can they approach a Filipina that they will make very comfortable, like it's not it won't make the Filipina feel weird, or it won't make them run away from them. So can you, you are young and beautiful. That's there's no what do you call this question about that. You're young and beautiful. So what would be a way a foreigner approach you that would make you the most comfortable? Hi everyone. We recently had one of our subscribers and member visit Bicol, Philippines and receive an email stating that the good girl Filipinas were not approachable and don't seem to want anything with foreign men. Well, let's take this statement to the streets and ask Filipinas themselves why this happened. Do you think Filipinas are truthful when they say they are approachable to foreigners?
I would say that they are truthful to Filipinos because depending on how you approach them, because I feel like Filipinos are willing to help wholeheartedly, even though you are different from one another. And I feel like Filipinos are really kind when it comes to other people. They are welcome. And I would say that they're approachable because they are, you can come up to them, and they will willingly help you wholeheartedly po.
How about you? Are you approachable to foreigners?
Yes, I would say yes because um I could say that I am approachable because I can help them if they have questions or if they need help when it comes to locations or what. But yes, I would say that because even though there are times that it is I only seldom meet foreigners here in the Philippines, but if ever one day I will encounter one, I will be willingly to help them and I will be approachable, but depending on how they interact with me po.
Um, even though you are like in public, let's say, and then they approach you, you're going to entertain them, like you be approachable.
I would feel like yes because as a Filipino, of course, it is my way to help other people and they would be encouraged to come here in the Philippines because they would see that Filipinos are kind, welcoming, and they would be like they would feel a relief that oh this Filipinos are so kind and they are approachable. That's why for me, if I become more approachable to them, then they would come here more often because of the beauty of the Filipinos and their kindness po.
But do you believe that there are still Filipinas out there, or let's say especially here in Bicol, Bicolanas, there are still Bicolanas that are not approachable? Do you believe in that?
Yes, I believe it because there are some people that are not willing to help, maybe because they don't understand them, or maybe the way that they intimidate them. So for me, some people doesn't like to approach the foreigners welcome here in the Philippines or particularly in Bicol because maybe there are times that they don't understand or maybe they're just not welcoming the other people.
Okay, I see. Okay. Now, do you feel many Filipinas are interested in foreign men visiting the Philippines?
I feel like yes, because let's say some Filipinas or some Filipinos out here are wanting some other let's say a fam. They want to get to know them better and maybe try to mingle with them or try to be friendly with them. So I feel like it is possible that Filipinos are interested in some of the um other
Foreign men.
foreign men po.
How about you? Are you interested when you see someone or you see foreign man or foreign man like that? Are you like you feel like interested with them like that?
Some ways, yes, because I feel like they're really different from the Filipinos, and I see something in them that makes them unique and really diverse from the other um foreign and I feel like getting to know them will help me to get to know their culture, their tradition. So sometimes when I see an foreign man or foreign people, I would look at them and I would feel impressed because on how they look, on how they move, you know.
Okay. Interested in a way that you feel like having a relationship with them, or just, like you're just amazed because they're different?
Well, maybe I would possibly want to be with an afam because I feel like it would help me to become a better person somewhat. But getting to know them is already enough, and it doesn't really matter if I will be in a relationship with them as long as we can be friends, and that's for me that's already okay po.
Okay. Are you interested in different ages? Like, for example, whether he is young or older foreigner?
It depends po because I will not date like super old, but I guess age doesn't matter when it comes to relationship as long as you're in the right age and you are willing naman po. And we can say that love will not really affect the relationship you have, whether you're old, you're young. As long as you love each other, I would say that's all right po.
Okay, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, you're interested in,
As you're in the right age po. If you're willing to commit, why not?
Okay, that's nice. If you are willing to commit, okay, and you are in the right age. Okay. Okay. How about this one? We had a subscriber of ours visit Bicol and said the good girl Filipinas were not approachable and not interested in him. Why do you think that happened?
Maybe because people find them intimidating. You know, sometimes we feel different from them, so it is hard for us um approach them better because maybe in some way um the girls or the young girls find them intimidating or somewhat different. That's why I think we have different perspective opinions about other people, and I would say that it's valid, but it's never okay to not welcome other people because let's say that we are diverse, so that's why we should get to know other people more without judging them immediately and getting to know them to better understand what he wants to say po.
Okay. Okay. So aside from feeling intimidated, what else? What else do you think the reasons why the other Filipinas were not approachable to him? What else?
Maybe they were flabbergasted or like somewhat surprised because oh, this is a foreign man, or lack of knowledge, so they won't be able to help him. That's why I because of course when you're asking younger girls, they don't really have that knowledge yet to fully tell him what his but yes po. And aside from intimidating and surprise or what, maybe because the way that the guy approached the young girls, um two sides of the persons, the feelings of them are valid, but we also have to consider the side of the younger girls because maybe they feel something that they don't really like, about the man. So or like something weird. But aside from that, I think wala. There's nothing else naman.
Okay. But that doesn't mean they are not approachable, right?
Yes, because the feelings of others are valid. The way they convey their perspectives to other people is also valid. So for me, I would say that just because the girls were not able to help him, that doesn't mean that they're not approachable.
You're young and
Yes.
beautiful. That's there's no what do you call this question about that. You're young and beautiful. So, what would be a way a foreigner approach you that would make you the most comfortable?
I feel like when they're nice to me, also respecting boundaries because, for example, you come up to me and of course you have to call me or like greet me in a good way so that I would not feel like I would not feel surprised or shocked immediately. So I would say that you can approach other people like me, but doing it respectfully and kindly and or just being nice, and that way I can accommodate you or will help you nicely as well.
Can you give us like how exactly he should do it?
Okay, so first of course you have to state you have to greet them or like hello miss, ma'am. You can just say that, call them hey, hey. That would feel a little bit disrespectful, but in some other people it's okay. But to be sure, use respectful greetings, and then you have to state your problem. You have to state what you, whether you have questions or you're lost. You can ask them nicely, like for example, hey miss, can you tell me where the restroom at, or something like that. So in that way I can tell you nicely as well, you know. Yeah.
What if he approach you because he's interested in you? Like he sees you like, oh, I like her. She's very beautiful. She's young. Like I mean, he is like interested in you. How should he approach you that would make you feel, most comfortable?
I guess like you can just compliment me in a good way without like being like too much or exaggerating it, so that it won't be so weird to hear. And I feel like if you find me, I think if there's a particular thing that you like about me, I would feel grateful because there are people out there that sees you differently and you like somewhat interesting. But for me to be comfortable with it, you can just say it to me nicely and without over exaggerating it. And of course,
Like how?
like let's say hey Bis, I think you're pretty. In that way I would, oh thank you. But as a person who doesn't really get a lot of compliments or like is not really used to compliments, I would feel grateful because there are other people aside from Filipinos who finds something in me interesting that I wouldn't know po. It will give me confidence po.
Do you think Filipinas are truthful when they say they are approachable to foreigners?
For me po, it depends since not all Pilipinas are approachable po. Since yung iba po kasi is,
Since the others are?
since the others, foreigners are not that approachable po once na makita po natin sila.
You mean some Filipinas are not approachable?
No, some foreigners are not approachable.
Oh, how about if the foreigner is he's going to approach a Filipina, okay? Not the Filipina approaching the foreigners. So, do you think Filipinas are truthful when they say they're approachable?
Ah yes, I think they are po.
How about you?
Uh, Personally, I am not actually because I'm kind of not comfortable with them po. Not because I am so high with myself, but because I am just not comfortable with others.
Why you're not comfortable?
I can't explain it, but maybe because of my environment. That's why I am not that comfortable with others, especially with other nations or the foreigners.
Oh, okay. So, you're like a snob.
Not that snob, just I don't want them to, once they approach me, of course, I will approach them back. But if I will be the one to approach first, I am not that kind of person.
So let's say you're in public and a foreigner approach you like he's trying to have a conversation with you. You will talk to him, right?
Yeah, I will talk once it is not that personal questions. Maybe of asking any instructions, directions, it's fine with me. But once they are asking for my information or for my personal information, then I will not allow that po.
Okay, that's a big no for you.
Yes.
I see. Okay. At least you're honest. She is honest, right? Because some people they would say yes, even though it's very hard for them to, like they got shy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you're being honest.
Yes.
It's
I'm
a
being
no for
honest.
her. Okay, I see. But if it's like asking for direction, it's a yes, right?
Yes.
But like
Fine.
getting to know each other, like exchanging information, it's a no for you.
Yes po.
Okay, I see. Okay. Now, do you feel many Filipinas are interested in foreign men visiting the Philippines?
Ah, yes. Because others find foreigners attractive since they are not we are already familiar with our features, so we are looking for other features then po.
Okay. Interested because they're different.
Yes.
How about they're interested because, I mean, they're interested for like to have a relationship? Do you feel many Filipinas are like that? Interested because,
Some Filipino are looking for relationship with them because they believe that foreigners have enough money to support their family, themselves, and their needs.
how about you? Are you interested in foreign men?
No, I am not.
You're not. Okay. Just being so honest. Very honest right now. Okay, I see. Now, we had a subscriber of ours visit Bicol and said the good girl Filipinas were not approachable and not interested in him. Why do you think that happened?
Personally po, I think some Filipinas who are not educated well will approach a foreigners. Please don't, I am not trying to discriminate, but some Filipina who have their class won't approach foreigners that instant.
So do you think Filipinas are not really approachable?
I can say because I can see in social media that many Filipinas are approachable with are in other nations or the foreigners, and I think um it's because they're different or they're trying to have conversation and relationship with.
How about here in Bicol, here in Naga City specifically? Do you think Bicolanas were not or are not approachable?
We're approachable actually. We approach people. Um, we try to communicate. We try to talk, but just what like I said before, just have boundaries and don't just jump into conclusion instantly.
Okay, okay. So it's like not everyone is approachable. Do you think like that? Not everyone is.
Yes po. I think that it depends to people.
It depends to people. Okay. If a foreigner had a bad experience, like having just like our subscriber, he said that Filipinas were not approachable. Do you think he just asked what do you call this? Um the not the right Filipinas.
Yes, I think they just have encountered the not right Filipina because I think that foreigners believe that we are just that approachable because of the myth. I think it's a myth that we are hospitable. We are hospitable person. Um,
But not everyone, right? Just like
everyone.
why
Yes. Just like for me, I am not that approachable. Maybe when I saw someone, it's fine. I don't discriminate or what because I like them actually, but I am not into them.
there are really some foreigners that they really wanna, meet someone like let's say to have a relationship with. So how can they approach a Filipina that they will make very comfortable, Like it's not it won't make the Filipina feel weird or it won't make them run away from them. So can you.
I think it's depend on the place. Yeah.
What do you mean it depends on the place?
Like here in mall, it's fine if you approach a Filipina and looking for someone to have a romantic relationship. Since this is a public and not just that formal place. But once you try to communicate with a Filipina who's in a formal setup, maybe it's just rude and weird, and it will make the Filipina awkward.
Okay. Okay. How should I approach the Filipina exactly?
Maybe ask for their name and ask if they're interested. Be straight to the point and just ask straight to the point, maybe, because some Filipina don't like the
Like there's not being
not
that to the
yeah, not straight to the point. We like being like, if you want
straightforward.
us, then go for us. Say it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you think a lot of Bicolanas, a lot of Filipinas are very shy?
Yes, actually. A lot of us are shy. Maybe because of the difference and the feeling of being judged.
Feeling being judged. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection